Three things that you like to do.
I like to study. I like to play cricket, and I like to watch TV.
Two more.
And I like to use the mobile, and I like to play with my brother.
थोड़ा सा जोर से बोलना है. Louder बोलना है. Five things that you want to do in the 10th class.
I want to score 95% in my 10th, and I want to work very hard in my 10th class, and I want to clear my all the topics or all the concept from all the books, and I want to and I want to speak English very frequently in class 10th.
Three things that you wanted to do in the 9th class, but you were not able to do. You couldn't do that.
I wanted to score 95%, but I didn't.
Couldn't.
But I couldn't, and I wanted to improve my math, but I couldn't, and I wanted to make me perfect in science, but I couldn't.
What do you like to do when it is Sunday? Three things.
I like to
Do की जरूरत नहीं है, एक्शन लगा सीधा. I like to के बाद में एक्शन लगेगा. Do लगाएगी तो फिर फंस जाएगी.
I like to revise all my chapters, and I like to study more, and I like to take some rest.
How much time will you take, Vanshika, to be better in English?
I will take a few days to be good in English.
Like 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
Like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So in 2 weeks, you will be more comfortable with English.
Yes.
Which is your favorite subject right now?
Now SST is my favorite subject.
SST. Give 2 reasons that you prefer SST.
Yeah.
That you prefer SST. Give 2 reasons.
Actually, we should know about our history, and we should also know about what have done in our past.
What has been done
What has been done in our past.
in the past?
And the second, it is very interesting subject, and you will know about in political science. You will know about is a country's democratic country and what is happening here.
How do you feel when you think the time when you are speaking in English and so many people criticize that a villager cannot do in English well?
I think that if you work hard, you can do anything, and a villager can also do everything if he wants.
Okay. Would you like to call Gori?
Yes. I like
Do that.
Now I would like to call on the stage Gauri.
Gori.